Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to invite someone to Telegram group. Guys, first you need to know that this is so simple and so quick. First what you need to do is to open a Telegram group, for example this one. And now what you need to do is you just tap on the group name on your bottom side, and then as you can see right there you have an info, and also then you have invite link. Go click on invite link, hold on it and go for a copy. Right now what you need to do is just basically go on, for example on Messenger, type for a name or a person that you wanna invite him into that group, go paste, and right there when you're gonna send this message to him, now he can just go tap on it and it will directly be included in this Telegram group. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and if you have some problems please comment down below in the section. See you soon guys, have a nice day.